Hi guys, if the Windows key not working in Windows 11, in this video I'll show you the quick ways to fix it. So the first method is that you need to press the function and Windows key together. So press function and Windows key together, and I hope after this the issue will be resolved. If it is not resolved, the second method that you can try is restart Windows Explorer, and for that you will first open the task manager and look for Windows Explorer and just restart it. Just restart the Windows Explorer, and I hope after performing this step the issue will be resolved. If the issue is not resolved after this step, what you can do is you can reinstall the keyboard driver. So for that you will open the device manager under control panel, and then you will go and look for keyboard and just right click and uninstall device. After this you are going to restart your computer. Do you want to restart your computer? Yes, I want to. Click yes. So see you after the restart. So guys, I have done the restart. So after performing all these steps, I hope the issue will be resolved. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.